Morning everybody. Last class we see work and energy. This is third lesson. So I told you what is a work? The action which one exerts a force to move an object. So using a force we are moving some object is known as a work. So train is moving by machine energy, and the man cutting the wood using a saw. So he transferring the force to the object and making into cut the wood. So this is kind of work done. So so last class we saw that work. Today we are going to see two main conditions we need to for a work to be done. What is the main condition? Force. Already I told you, just pushing the pencil by hand. So I am giving the force through my hand and transferring the force to the object. So force is a main thing. Force should be act on an object. Object is a pencil, force is from my hand. Next, object should be moved from one place to another. So I am just pushing. See, the pencil is here. After I applied a force, the pencil is moved to here. So the two main point. One is force should act on an object. Next, object should move from one place to another. See, some of the pictures are here. Look at the goat. It's running on the field. So, it's running. So, there is a work is done in here. It's getting a energy in it and moving. Here, the boy sleeping. So, there is no work done here. So, there is no force is done here. See, look at the wall. The mans are pushing the wall. The wall will be moved? No. The wall will stay there only. But there is no action is done here. So no work is done here. See, this man getting a water from the well. So he is putting this force and using the axle. The object is water. Getting a water from outside using a force. So the work is done here. This girl keeping the toy. The girl keeping a toy in the trolley. She is just moving it. So she pulls a trolley. So the work is done here. Look at here, the man standing here. The apple is falling on his head. So apple is moving from one place to another place. So there also work is done. Now you have to answer me. Okay? Just open your mouth and say pushing the door. It's a work done or not? Yes, work is done. Next, holding a doll. Just holding a doll with you. There is any work done or not? Say it loudly with me. No. Okay. Then sitting in a bus. The bus is moving, but you are just sitting in the bus. You are doing any work? No. Next, pushing a wall. Wall will be remain on the same place. We can't push a wall from one place to another place. So, there is any work done? No. Next, digging a soil. So, digging a sand by using a shovel. So, the soil is moving from the ground to the some other place. So, work is done here. Yes. So, to work done, main thing is force. Where are we getting a force? See, for example, if you don't have anything for past 2 days, so you will not get a energy, because the humans will get a energy by food. Once we intake the food, we will get a energy. Once we didn't get energy, we didn't get any work to be done. So, look at your mom. If your mom felt sick, she will not do any work at home because she don't have energy to put a force on washing the clothes, washing the vessels or cooking. So when she fell down, sick, she will not do any work because she don't have energy. So energy is very important to a work. So next class we will see detail about the energy. Okay.